We have new details this morning about an urgent mission to save a NASA science satellite, the Swift Observatory. And I'm not talking about Taylor's wedding watch. It is falling back into the Earth's atmosphere, and it is at risk of burning up. Mark Strassmann is here to tell us about the daring rescue operation. Mark, good morning.
Good morning, Nate. We've got a Swift theme going on here, as you probably know. The backstory is this: some recent intense solar activity hit the telescope hard. It's losing altitude faster and faster, and NASA is desperate to save it. And the race is on to boost its altitude before it's too late.
For unimaginable energy and power, nothing in the cosmos compares to a gamma ray burst, the death of a massive star.
A nuclear weapon going off doesn't even compare to the magnitude of energy that comes out of these things. And it's literally the biggest explosions in the universe.
Sean Donegal-Goldman, NASA's head of astrophysics, told us nothing pinpoints gamma ray bursts like the orbiting Swift Observatory.
We have ignition.
NASA launched the $500 million Swift telescope in 2004. It's been a first alert for scientists to pivot telescopes to the right place in the sky. But Swift's falling back to Earth faster than expected, and without help, it will burn up in the atmosphere.
I mean, how close are you to losing Swift?
If we don't do something, it will come out of orbit by the end of this calendar year.
So the clock is ticking.
The clock is ticking.
In an unprecedented rescue mission, a plane will take off from a remote Pacific island and drop an airborne rocket. NASA hopes it will launch a space robot into orbit to dock with Swift, and with centimeter-level precision, grab it with 3 robotic arms. The robot's engines would fire to raise Swift's orbit and extend its life another 10 years.
We're trying to do one of the most technically complex things in space on an incredibly accelerated timeline.
Gon-hee Lee is CEO of Catalyst Space, the startup NASA hired to rescue Swift less than a year ago.
Our job was to move very quickly and get on orbit.
Success not guaranteed, though, right?
You're right. I mean, this is a high-risk, high-reward mission.
The goal of the mission, which launches tomorrow, is to raise Swift's orbit about 150 miles higher than it is now, which would take about 4 months. If successful, the mindset about satellites could also change from disposable to serviceable. Could be a blueprint to extend the life of other aging satellites, including the Hubble Space Telescope. So
high
think of it this
stakes.
way. Oh, yeah. And it turns out you can call AAA to get a tow in space.
Well, I like the guy in your piece. He was like, yeah, high stakes indeed.
Yeah, he's thinking my boss is watching, and these are expensive projects.
They really are.
Mark, thank you very much.
Of course.
Always good to have you in New York.